So welcome again friends to Gyan Ki Batein YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about elementary OS. So what is elementary OS? The OS that I have installed right now is elementary OS. So here is the applications, and you can go to the application menu here by clicking on this. Okay, you have App Center. You can download new applications from App Center. You can search here for an app. So these are the same apps that you find on Ubuntu or on Linux. So what is elementary OS and why should you install it? So it doesn't contain any unnecessary pre-installed applications like in Ubuntu or in Linux Mint. It looks very beautiful and it's easy to use, and it is based on Ubuntu kernel, and it is free. And the most stable OS, a free OS that I think is elementary OS, and it loads very quickly. So let's go to elementary OS website. Here elementary.io is the domain name. So you can purchase it or download it for free. Just enter 0 here and you can download it for free, and you can voluntarily pay $10, $20 or anything you want to improve elementary OS, but you are not obliged to pay any amount. You can pay 0 amount and you can download it. So elementary OS is a fast. Stop waiting around for your computer to load. Elementary OS starts fast and stays fast. App are lightning quick to open and remember where you left off. Even better, elementary OS doesn't slow down with updates. Okay, so it is an open source software. We respect the rights of our users. Safe and secure. You can have multitasking experience, picture in picture view, apps you need without ones you don't. So elementary OS doesn't contain any unnecessary pre-installed app. It contains apps you need without ones you don't. So elementary OS comes with a carefully considered set of apps that cater to everyday needs, so you can spend more time using your computer and less time cleaning up bloatware. Parental controls option. So these are the things you should have in your mind before installing elementary OS. So elementary OS